Alright guys, so let me give you an idea of what's going on.
20 pounds, so you can cool off. What do you need to cool off?
Yeah, right there. That'll work. So all in about the last 10-15 minutes, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 cutoffs, possibly 5 and a 6 right now. Those still have a little bit of weight behind them, and we've actually found one of them where you can actually see the bite mark on this side where it was cut off, and abrasion on this side, and it was about 10 inches across. So we're thinking of a good about 8-footer on that one. But this is where we're at now, and yeah, we just had everything perfectly out there, and one by one the rod bows over and gets cut off. So they are moving in. So we're gonna have to go through some real trouble right now to get some bait back out and stuff like that. So.
Gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I got a line. I'ma call the whole team.
Hey, you throwing away that water? Is it good water or bad water? Put it in this cooler over here so I can use it for the boil.
I'm done.
You done what?
It's almost like there's nothing left.
Oh, okay.
Not bad.
I was like,
What did you want to use it for?
the boil.
Everybody's hands have been used.
Oh, dude, it's gonna get boiled over, bro. Killed. But whatever.
Flavor.
Yeah. This right here is one of the hardest parts of fishing the beach or a pier or anywhere, is getting cut offs like this. You've seen where the rods bow over and then they get cut. That's something running into the line. And it's not that they're attacking the line, it's they're having some kind of feeding frenzy or what it may be. And you know, they're hitting the line. Or you know, you got to think, most of these fish and sharks swim through opening and closing their mouth to get water in through their gills and stuff like that so they can breathe. A lot of them have very sharp teeth. So as they're moving through or, you know, attacking their prey or something like that, a lot of times they don't know what they're doing when they're in a feeding frenzy. When they're swimming through, they bump into the line because it's not something that's spooking them, but they feel it once it gets into their mouth, and then they react, and that's how the lines get cut off. And it does get pretty expensive really fast. As you can tell, we've got 4 lines right there that have been cut off, and they're reeling them in as quickly as they can so we don't end up with line on the beach. Oh, there goes another one. Ouch. I'm thinking I may have left it over there in front. Yeah, no, I'm going to give it right back to this truck. Blue one's the only one left on that one. Yeah. Dude, I think I'm completely out of the water now. All my room.
You got like 5 in the truck, bro. I literally bought like 2 of those.
Oh, I was waiting for him to get that other light set up. Oh, no. Hey, hit the mode. Hey, right above the car button is mode. You can take it off a beam and put it on flood. Where's all your twang, boss?
In that box right there. Oh, right there, look.
Oh, upside down?
I can't put twang on fajitas.
Oh, yeah. So, we're running down to the nitty gritty. We got 1 pole left, but we got a whole bunch of fajita, which we're gonna season with some mango twang. We're gonna see how that comes out. We'll let you know in a minute.
That's the last one for you?
Yeah, dude.
That's the last one?
Bro, you don't
All the fun stuff. I gotta go put my shoes on.
Let me do this.
Oh, my feet are aching.
Yeah. So we can put this one.
Yeah, let me cut it up.
I know I have to peel it, no?
Oh, yeah. It's hard. Y'all know what some
I know you are. Wow.
twang flavor fajita.
Right here.
No, it's been recording the whole time.
Okay, every time you
Yeah,
cut it,
so
you just-
that was a very pricey. Oh man, talk about some losses right there. That 130 I just put on 600 yards this morning on top of that blue. That blue right there has yellow on it. That one also had 600 yards, yes, put on yesterday by Jeff. That one right there was completely full this morning. So yeah, that one lost a little bit. That one over there, I can't really see, but it looks like it lost quite a bit too. So, and then the red one, so far we got 1 straggler left right there. We had everything in the water not even an hour ago, and it's all out now. Several times I saw the rod bow over and then it would come right back up. cutoffs, and oh man, these fish came in with a vengeance. So I don't know, we're gonna start cooking and grubbing, so we're gonna see how we all feel here in a bit. I don't know, it's gonna be a tough one. See what's up, but we'll show you what's going on that agenda. Got the pit going over here, the marinating station over here. Ooh, the chili mango! What?
Man, how did this cut? Dude, it feels like you're dragging mud across the floor.
Yeah, you heard him say that. All we heard was dragging butt across the floor, and then he turned around.
Well, no, we were talking about how does it feel when you catch a stingray, like a big stingray. It feels like you're just dragging mud literally across the floor.
Yep. Tire in the water, they just don't want to move. Yes, sir. Oh, wow. So, yeah, I think we're all gonna get into cooking. We got a lot of food out here. So. That looks so awesome. Kiki was here?
No, that wasn't me. That really was not this time. Come on. Come on.
Kiki was here.
First it was
Technical difficulties at the
I
barbecue.
just dumped some gas and then everything hot. The lid, I had to put some sand on it, get my pot on there.
Dude, all over the floor, and Eric was lost.
Eric was live. He's like, what's going on over here?
Dude just ran over him.
I'm taking
You got it. You can let number 2 do it. That's how it happens.
No, that was paper.
It's cold. You don't see it. There's 2.
That was paper.
No, there's one over here. Look. There's cherry one right there. Finally, man. I thought I was never going to get this pit to stay lit. Boiler.
Are you going to want to try to get more bait out?
We're all trying to cook right now. Yeah, you're doing that. He's trying to cook. I'm trying to cook. Bro, that's over $500 in losses right there, bro.
I believe it.
Well, adding yours in, over 500.
So we're even, is what you said.
No way. You've lost 2.
I only lost that one. The red one. The first one was a catch. The second one busted out.
Yeah. No. I mean, not saying you're doing it on purpose. I'm just saying it's double cutoffs on both. Both of them been cut off. So that's 4 for you. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this one. We lost 1, 2, 3. The first one, so that's 8, but we got 2 back, so that's 6 for me.
They're having a good time.
Yeah.
Honestly, it got to the point where I was like, oh no! Why did you tell me? But then, you know what I did? These guys are so hyped about it.
I'll make it up to y'all. But you see the other half of being a great fisherman? Right there, seeing what everybody else never fucking. I think that's never see it. Never see it. goes home, hey man, I fed my whole family. This and that,
Like
bro.
in Austin, you guys gotta go to Corpus.
No,
I give away a
it
few
was already cut off, and I'm looking off at another one. Did you get it all of it back, or can you tell if you're missing some?
I'm missing a lot. I'm probably missing at least 100, maybe 50.
That's not a lot. 500.
I got
No, feet, like 100 feet. 50
no,
feet.
dude. That T-Rex 130, over 600 yards is gone. The purple one is probably 300 to 400. The blue one right next to it is over 600 too. That's already several $100 worth just a braid, not even including all the liters and shit. I'm at, let me figure it up. I'm at total of 5 liters with drops, surf weights, and bait. Minus the 2 that I got back, I had 7, so I took off 2. So yeah, it's recording. We're good.
That's when you drink smarter beer with a Twang additive. You get smarter sharks.
I think that's what it is. They want our twang, is what it is. They're saying, send the good stuff down here.
Yeah, see, we got all the Twang in our blood, and they smelt it the last time we were out there. Now they want us to try and take some more baits out there so they can get attack the yakers.
That is painful. That's very light. Yeah. All within the last hour and a half. Everybody's like, so we're going to put out baits. I said, there's a chance we could, but we're all cooking. By the time we get done eating, I don't know if that's happening.
With the jet ski, I'll run out 4 or 5. I don't. I mean, but have everything out, everything ready to be baited.
Yeah.
Drive out, come back, hand it to me. Drive out, come back, hand it to me. Drive out, because the longer time I spend out there, my heartbeat starts going crazy. I feel I'm gonna get, tail whipped by something and fall over.
Well, do you want to? We can probably set up and run everything.
I'll do it. I'll run it.
Ask the guys if they're willing to make one more run to re-rig everything. We got to have it all rigged up.
Everything.
So that way when he gets on the jet ski, he's on there one time, in and out real quick. But we're also going to have to help get it back out. Give the guys, see if they're down for it.
Never mind, I can drive out there, and I understand his jet ski works perfectly, so nothing scary about it. Just, I think the current actually changed.
What, going the opposite way?
Not completely, right? It's slowing down to the point where it's gonna change.
How does the wind stay in the same direction, bro?
Yeah.
And the wind ain't supposed to change until tomorrow. We're golden to keep running that way, and even if the wind does change, there's nobody to compete with.
Yeah, that's true, because nobody's over there.
Exactly.
I think I should drop this now, right?
No, not yet.
Oh, not yet.
Another one.